Some do money to be Makoye and just
no moje.
Mom so much acro, no much abra. I said the idea. Yenti the one no see your money and money amount honum yenti.
Go, let's go. Go, let's go.
Let's allow police for no much.
Almost you see, I pass out to maybe have a good central part. Yes. More am about for something you be.
I'm give him.
And see,
almost bribe no.
There 5
no much. I almost give him.
And see, we are sure some money be one ba.
Send the IGP ko no mo bomb nsem catch IGP.
IGP na omo catch him.
That's all. Omo nyibi.
Go, let's go.
Yes, it's Ghana police force say there. Yan to ade kakra na. Yes, am to us.
What that hona abanfu fraba. Ana moja mahama ye den konya sa project no. Mahama ye den konya sa project no. Eti Ghana for mumma ye din na ho.
Yes.
Okay, mami ma one example.
Métier.
JF 4 years say from Accra to Kumasi. Yen dualization. It is often Accra to Kumasi say ye double road. Send ye Abrochemu highway tieno. Wo kwa unshiaka. Wo ba unshiaka. What start here? Achimota to Ofanko. Eti what drew Ofanko honomono and ye do so elections.
Yeah.
But Ofa in Sawam Ediko Apeda Junction. Ni ya kwa kodru baby akaka ni adru suhum. And this is for buy no. From waja to honum 8 years. Omanye. Eye nkoko bypass. On the J for 40 million.
Yeah.
8 years no. And omuye serious some be ya. Enke na me ne wo kasei. Enka katu kumase no. Enka yedu abu. Enka sabre enke aye double no akwakosi kumase de da. 8 years. Omanye obi anu ofa kumase kwa su bia no ehu se chese wo kwa na wo transfer wo mu kwa kakra bi na wo tisi rough road no so a every month na man for some shocks any ade and ye dede sana wo mu di quota gu one way su kakra egokosi su hu wo man taki road na me ni wo kasei ye ba ye amuakwata da Roma wayama sese no the other side no ye bie ama kese kasi nam so akati tuwa bi na kese ehonomo no ye bie hokra ati this year nyankopo ya adomu a ye best start ye beto aso ati by close of next year 2023 no na kese wunya tu free nkade a to Kumase no enya dia a wudi ka bia behia aye straight Samuel Magwejina no na amanfo nkai wonim se atamese ba ye benya term the gang of 4 sa kwai na ye no wase adani
ade chi a wo de bra president na wo bedi na atem bedi disrenfo atem stay here in for yeah ye dwen obi dwen to say streaming politicians. So what I say? You understand? A incitement or more, yeah. Send your umber, but I can guarantee you, say, yeah, security. Nobody can penetrate inside. I'm telling you. Nobody.
Sorry, Mpacho, Mami bisa question now we fat to answer Mami. Me Pacho, what we say? Your constitution Nankasan, right?
Yeah.
Say, who read the constitution now? It teaches you say, and this is at the end of the constitution. Or see, Obia, Obe Gene, Obe Plane, Obe Ka, and as Obe have the intent to say who the better constitution a treasonable. Now, question and the man now, where should the me listeners be brave person will be sound. Now, meaning say wait me answer correct. Yeah, Okateche Frifa, Captain Smart, Abraham Bemoshe, Omuko Jina Independence Square. Boss, and Omuka say they are calling for a constitutional overthrow. In this case, and then Ombeka say coup. Constitutional overthrow. Omupe coup. So Omuka say now. Why don't you, the security apparatus, know now to drag them? Now you more because they say no almost social media.
Minya, the one who has security. Security terms back on. You're afraid to be lip service.
Lip service.
You understand? Now you walk back will be so eye service.
Eye service, lip service, eye service.
Lip service, no, and ye say, Nipano, Anu, no the casa. But to deliver,
oh, to me.
You understand?
Correct.
My car assembly back home. Me pese won kita assembly forever. Me say, yeah. Nipa bia o say we be ma no. So democracy. Nti na say democracy. Freedom of what? Speech. Ubetima ka de ubeka bia. But who ye be ma? Na Jubilee House. Aden say o say ubetu o mayagu a ana say ubeye bibia. We enye problem, enye dede. There who jina hoye no eye democracy obi na fight ama wo wanye side right no nene wo ye den wo ye nti wo se wo ye bema uji wo hudi uni baby present wo nye Jubilee House
Jubilee House
yes so what you say
come and try